अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड के एमसीक्यूज़ की बात कर रहे थे और इससे पहले के वीडियो में हमने पार्ट ए कवर किया था। आज हम पार्ट बी कवर करेंगे। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द पोएम विच इज़ ऑफन व्यूड एज अ मेडिटेशन ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लव, कौन सी है? डोअर बीच। Of the several books that Matthew Arnold wrote on politics and sociology, the most important is Culture and Anarchy. Who wrote To Marguerite Continued? Matthew Arnold का वर्क है ये। Matthew Arnold is buried at All Saints Churchyard, Laleham, Middlesex. Matthew Arnold is often considered to be the founding father of academic criticism in English. According to Matthew Arnold, which estimate is not fallacious, real. Matthew Arnold's Dover Beach depicts modern condition. Matthew Arnold's Memorial Verses mourns the death of Wordsworth, Goethe and Byron. We mortal millions live alone figures in To Marguerite. Literature and Dogma by Matthew Arnold deals with poetry and religion. Poetry is a criticism of life under the conditions fixed for it. Matthew Arnold pleads for touchstone method. In the age of Pope and Dryden, Matthew Arnold regards Gray as a unique poet. The Scholar Gypsy is a former Oxford student, in which book Matthew Arnold argued that people should be educated in the Bible and in literature, culture and anarchy. My poems represent the main movement of mind of the last quarter of a century, and thus they will probably have their day. Who said so? Matthew Arnold wrote to his mother. Matthew Arnold celebrated elegy for the death of his old friend Arthur Hugh Clough. कौन सी है? थायरसिस है। Name the worst drama of Matthew Arnold. Empedocles on Etna. Who wrote The Function of Criticism? Matthew Arnold. According to Matthew Arnold, Keats is with Shakespeare. The predominant mode in Matthew Arnold's poetry is that of melancholy. Who calls Shelley a beautiful and intellectual angel beating in the void its luminous wings in vain? Matthew Arnold ने बोला हुआ है शेली को। In the study of poetry, Matthew Arnold puts stress on high seriousness in poetry. Matthew Arnold praises Burns' Scotch poems, whose real greatness among the following has been estimated at the very outset by Matthew Arnold in his essay The Study of Poetry. Chaucer. Matthew Arnold's The Function of Criticism at the present time makes out a case for the importance of critical activity for the creative output. Thyrsis is written by Matthew Arnold, who is the writer of the following lines as quoted by Matthew Arnold at the heart of his Thyrsis: thus yesterday, today, tomorrow come. They hustle one another and they pass. Lucretius. The line whose ignorant armies clash by night figures in Dover Beach. Culture and Anarchy deals with theology. Who wrote lectures on the study of Celtic literature? Matthew Arnold ने लिखा हुआ है। According to Matthew Arnold, barbarians are aristocratic people, Philistine are middle class and populace are working class. Who said Chaucer lacks high seriousness? Matthew Arnold ने बोला है। Matthew Arnold is with Aristotle in saying that poetry is superior to history. Matthew Arnold puts stress on comparative literature. Friendship Garland is written by Matthew Arnold. St. Paul and Protestantism is written by Matthew Arnold. God and Bible is written by Matthew Arnold. Who wrote last essays on church and religion? Matthew Arnold. The State Traveller and other poems appeared under the name De Plume of A. Who wrote A Summer Night? Matthew Arnold ने लिखा हुआ है. Who wrote The Discourses in America? Arnold का वर्क है. Who wrote Tristram and Isolde? Matthew Arnold. Who wrote Balder Death? Matthew Arnold. Who said that Arnold was, even in the age of Carlyle and Ruskin, perhaps the most serious man alive? G.K. Chesterton ने बोला हुआ है. Who wrote Truth Sits Upon the Lips of Dying Men? Matthew Arnold ने बोला है. When Wordsworth died in 1850, Arnold published memorial verses in Fraser's magazine to pay a homage to the deceased poet. Who wrote the essay John Keats? Matthew Arnold. Okay friends, thank you so much.